Hello. Today we are talking about the business line of credit, what it is and how to get one. For the 50% of business owners who have experienced cash flow problems, a small business line of credit can be necessary to maintain regular business operations. You may be thinking, my business is profitable. I don't need additional cash reserves. But many businesses with and without cash flow issues keep a line of credit handy for unexpected growth or for expansion opportunities, or if you experience some unforeseen circumstances and experience some cash hiccups. It can happen. A business credit line is a flexible, often low-cost way to cover short-term financing needs. For those who don't know me, I'm Elena Korsakova, CPA in California. For 20 years, I managed millions of dollars for small and large business operations. Now, as a virtual CFO and finance mentor, I guide women entrepreneurs to take control of their financial future and build wealth. So welcome. Please be sure you check my previous videos, give me love, and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you find this information valuable, please share it with others. And before we move on, I have to make an official disclaimer. This presentation is for informational purposes only, and it cannot be considered to be legal or financial personal advice. Now, back to line of credit. Similar to most financing options, the best time to get a line of credit for your business is when your business has healthy revenue and cash flow, rather than when your business is in a cash flow crunch. You are more likely to qualify for the best terms when your business is in a good financial shape and has no cash flow problems. Remember, you are only charged interest on the amount you borrow. It works as a credit card, as your regular credit card. If you secure a line of credit now, you are not obligated to use it, but it will be there when your business needs some extra capital. And right now we experience so much uncertainties. Especially for small business owners, it's very challenging times. And we don't know if additional help from the government is coming. It might come, but maybe not. So you need to be in charge, be proactive, and the business line of credit is a good way to do it. Business line of credit can be secured and unsecured. With a secured line of credit, the borrower puts all collateral as a security deposit on the line of credit. And putting up, it can be a property as a form of your collateral, it's common, but it also can be your other assets owned by your business. Can be equipment or inventory, or even the value of your business itself. If it's unsecured business line of credit, it does not require specific collateral. And of course, it can be more expensive because the lenders assume higher risk, right? Credit cards, for example, are a type of unsecured line of credit. Businesses with many years under their belts and great business credit reports are more likely to qualify for unsecured business credit line at reasonable rates. That's why I advise all my clients to start building business credit score. I know how it is important, to having a great personal credit history, but business credit history is as well very, very important. And if you applied and get it, what your business line of credit can be used for. If you can use it for one-time project or very long-term project. If you use that, if you have those needs, a business loan might be better fit for you than a business line of credit. And if your business has seasonal fluctuations, maybe your sales take a dip in the summer, or line of credit will help during periods of low sales. I know that many coaches, consultants, and service-based professionals, especially now everybody moved online, and maybe right now you are very profitable and the cash is coming, but there can be some times when you go dry on cash, and the line of credit can help during those periods of low sales. Or maybe your clients take 30 days or longer to pay you for your products or services. And maybe you sell your services on an installment basis, and your clients sometimes have some financial hiccups as well and don't pay you on time, but you might need a line of credit to cover the expenses until you get paid. And finally, what are the requirements to qualify for a business credit line? Well, a lender, I advise you to first contact your bank and talk to them. A lender will look at your time in business, your personal credit score, annual revenue, the strengths of your cash flow and the strengths of your business credit, and will evaluate your business credit worthiness. If you don't yet have a bank account set up for your business, and if you are not yet building business credit, it will be necessary to even be considered by most lenders. I talked today to my bank, the Chase, and they told me that in order for you to qualify for the credit line, business line of credit, you need to be in the industry and be the owner of the business not less than 2 years. You have to have an average balance in your business bank account of $5,000 and more. Also, they will look at your personal credit and tax return, and there are several industries they mentioned that they do not consider for the business line of credit, and those industries are remodel and construction, entertainment, travel, and transportation. If you are in those industries, that this will not work with your bank. The interest rate, again, it's various. I'm in California, in the US and California, and the interest rate is how they calculate. It's a prime rate. Today is 3.25% plus the bank rate, minimum 3.05. It can be higher based on the amount you apply for. So on the average, it's like minimum 6%, 6.3, and more. Again, you don't need to use those money until you need them. And if this happens, there is a minimum annual fee of $200 and $750 maximum. Right? It depends on the amount you have taken. Okay, this is all about the business line of credit today. If this was helpful for you, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel and listen for the new announcements. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.